Hello guys, I'm here at the Apple store. This is a place that if you have problems for your computer or telephone, you can come over here and someone will assist you and help you how to how to um, to fix your telephone or laptop. I'm here because my laptop won't upload my pictures, so they help me to fix it. I love their place. You are in the second floor. I'm sitting down here and you can see overlooking across the street, and there's something going on there in the art gallery. That is the art gallery, and this is our Pacific Centers Mall. Is a very popular mall here in Vancouver, Canada. So you can come here and relax. In here they have free internet too that you can use. Okay, bye for now. See you soon.